Basic machine design procedure or phase design process. Machine design is not guided by any rigid rules. However, design is not a random procedure. Either the design that delivers the best performance of a machine is normally preferable. The procedure for designing a machine usually involve the following important steps. The steps are: first one, the statement of problem or recognition of need. Second one, an analysis of problem or analysis of forces. Third one, selection of mechanism, material, and process. Fourth one, preparation of the preliminary design or design of limit or layout of con- configuration. Fifth one, revision of the design or modification. Sixth one, making a final drawing or detailed drawing or preparation of drawings. These are machine design procedure or phase of design process.